Hello, everyone. Look, this is a market cap rate, right? There's massive automation, fully integrated supply chain optimization of government subsidies. There's no other car company that can beat them at this game right now in terms of scale other than bid in terms of in China. And so they're taking market share, market cap from all the other players. And so the goal is to get as many vehicles on the road as you can to get their AI out there, get their mapping out there, and ultimately get to self-driving. The end game is not to be just an EV maker. It's multiple business lines that people are betting on, from insurance to self-driving to energy generation and distribution. So cars are just part one. And if I was Craig and I'm looking just at the car side, I'd agree with them, but all the other things on the other end of that raid makes a big difference. And with a 9,500 profit margin to play with versus GM at 2,100 versus Hyundai at 1,000 or Ford at negative $760 per vehicle, they're taking market share and they're taking market cap. Welcome back to another video where we uncover a financial twist that has the potential to send shockwaves through the stock market, and one that is particularly fascinating for Tesla investors. In today's video, we have an exciting topic, one that explores how Tesla investors can potentially make millions from their investment. Now, before you dismiss this as another overhyped claim, be rest assured that we're going to be diving deep into the factors that can contribute to substantial wealth creation through Tesla stock. So if you're a Tesla fan or considering investing, then this is one that you're not going to want to miss. So stick with us as we uncover the key elements that can pave the way for a lucrative journey with Tesla. Let's get started. And we already had a big move up earlier this week. We had a significant gap up beyond this 262 level. This green dash line, if you look back here, was the start of a small gap back here. And we broke above it with a huge breakout there, a big green candle, but it was a false breakout. We were treated back within the boundaries of this horizontal now support level that was then a resistance level. So we've gapped up here. We're taking a bit of a breather, though, this week now, after the initial gap up. Now, still trading near the top of this longer-term upward channel, starting with our yearly lows near 102, and we're up 170% from that point here. Having a slow day in a stock that has had a lot of price movement is always kind of funny. You can also see that we're stuck in this volume node right here, centered around the 280 level. As we said before, we'd like to see a move into a higher volume area up here near the 300 level. The RSI is trending downwards. These signs point to a drop in prices, even though the price is setting new highs compared to other prices. However, it's not a clear-cut sign because we were in the overbought area, which means the market is strong, but now we're going below it, which means the market is weakening. In general, it looks like progress is fading. Tesla stock has gained a lot of value over the years. People who want to buy it should think about how the business could continue to grow. New ideas and being the best at work. If you're an investor in Tesla, or just like the stock market, you know that the basics of a company, like its place in the market, revenue growth, and profitability, can tell you a lot about its long-term prospects. These basic facts show that Tesla will have a great growth story in the future. Good morning, everyone. Enjoy your day off tomorrow. The U.S. government just got Tesla's secret sales forecasts, which show that the EPA was way off about how much the company could produce and grow. For example, the EPA model says that Tesla will sell 100,000 cars a year in the U.S. in 2022. However, Tesla made 5 times that amount. This shows that the car company is sure of its production skills. Potential buyers are also very interested in Tesla's commitment to fast charging and superchargers that are easy to get to, as well as its self-driving technology and safety features. Tesla has finally made it possible for itself to be the leader in the EV movement, and it looks like it will stay that way. So why should putting your money into this top company make you a millionaire in the long run? Let's get into the facts now. But first, if you like this kind of content, click the like button. Sign up and turn on alerts to know what's going on with Tesla all the time. Tesla's production numbers are one of the most important things that can change the price of its stock. Tesla will be able to meet the growing demand for electric cars as long as it keeps making more cars. Uber's CEO, Elon Musk, says that the company could make as many as 20 million rides by 2030. With this number, Elon Musk has made it clear that it is more of an aim than a firm number, about 2 billion. Musk says Tesla needs to build at least 12 to 14 new gigafactories in places that haven't been named yet between now and 2030 so that it can make 20 million cars by that year. All of these things need to begin before 2027, in my opinion. Along with making more cars, Tesla will need to grow its supercharging business in just 4 years. The number of Tesla supercharger stations around the world has grown to over 40,000, making it the world's largest fast-charging network. These are just a few of the many ways that Tesla's charging facilities can help the company's stock price. In the case of Tesla, Med expert Ben Kalau believes that deals for superchargers will bring in up to $15.7 billion and 45 cents per share more for the company by 2030. A report from Piper Sandler & Co. says that Tesla's agreement with Ford and GM to expand its network of superchargers could bring in an extra $3 billion a year in charging fees by 2030 and $5.2 billion by 2032. Also, Tesla said it made $5.9 billion in service sales last year, which included money from superchargers. For a company that makes more than $80 billion a year, this may not seem like a lot of money, but it is. Plus, drivers who don't have a Tesla will be able to use its chargers and apps. This could help Tesla get some Tesla users to switch to its ecosystem. There's more, though. In the future, Tesla could let other car companies use its FSD technology. This would make a lot more cars use it. This could mean that Tesla's technology is used in a huge range of cars, from high-end ones to cheap ones. This would make its technology even more popular and change how people all over the world think about and feel about self-driving cars. Tesla can also make a lot of money from the deal by letting other businesses use its FSD tech. Musk shows us new ways to make money. Tesla can make more money if it sells more than just cars and energy goods. This can help the company put money into bigger projects like the Tesla Semi and the Cybertruck, as well as projects that have nothing to do with each other, like finding ways to make and store energy. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, said in a tweet early in June that he was open to the idea of letting companies use Tesla technologies. This would include the company's method for cars that drive themselves. More deals might happen if the superchargers are easier to get to, but there are some problems that need to be fixed if you want to invest in Tesla. Tesla's U.S. competitors are all trying to catch up in the race to make electric cars, so they're all bringing in more. Both GM and Ford say that their electric car projects aren't making money and won't be for at least another year. As long as Tesla makes cars, the fact that they are built and have features that no other cars have will make them very popular. For example, Tesla's designs are both safe and stylish. They have a lower center of gravity, more ground clearance, and a lot of sensors and cameras on the outside of the car. This is what makes Tesla unique, and it will help the company stay at the top of its field. How do you think Tesla's value will change in the future? Click on the next movie to learn more about Tesla and its stock price. Let us know in the comments below. See you then.